All right, today we're gonna bring an LED light, a very powerful LED light that, if you guys can see, it's a little dark in my area. I'm gonna show you exactly where I work at. I have a little shop in the back. I like that they give you the hook in here. They give you accessories. If you're gonna add a dimmer to the entire place, you can do that. We're gonna add two, not one, but two of these. I currently have one right now, but it's not as powerful as these. So we're gonna show you guys the difference on it, and I'm gonna show you this entire area too. But this is a 3-prong connection, so you're going to require power. And then of course we're going to set up the hook because we are going to hang these on our actual tent. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I do have one right now, and it's a little dark in here. I work out here. This is my shop. This is my little studio I work on here. Today we're going to add this one here and another one here. So we're going to add two of them to make it really bright in here. Including with that one, work with that one. If you guys can see, I do have a hook on that one right now, so we're gonna set 2 more of these and light up the entire place here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie this up and we're gonna secure with the extra screw it has in here, if you guys can see that. Optional, you have other places to source the power from, but we're gonna remove this brace too. We don't need it because it adds more heavier weight, so we're gonna try to minimize it and just keep the hook itself. Because I do have a tent here, and option, if it does fall, it's gonna hang. We're gonna zip tie these the actual power cord, so you don't have to worry about if it ever falls on you or anything like that. It's secure. But if you have a warehouse, you could drill these in there. Very simple. So today we're gonna take these off, and it's easy. You do need an Allen wrench to remove them, and I'm gonna save these for some other time when I actually put them in my warehouse. All right, here we have it. We tied it up, and to secure it, there's also a screw here. Just tie it as much as you can until it hits. All right, I just want you to see how bright this place is. All right, I could work on my shop now. I'm able to see even better. I turn off the middle one so you guys can see the powerful light. So I'm gonna turn off everything so you guys can see how dark it gets in here. So I'm just gonna unplug it from here, and this is pretty much how dark it is. I do have my fish tank in there, so plug this one back in. And that's how bright and powerful the lights are. Very awesome for your warehouse. It comes with the dimmer. We put it at the highest rate that we can. We zip tie the stuff. It's ready to go. It's gonna light up this entire area here. This is my workshop. This is where I do my 3D printing, my construction, and so forth. Some reviews in the back, but look at this. This is gonna light up the whole entire tent here. So I have 3 lights. I'm gonna turn them all on when I'm working. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.